You walk into your bathroom early in the morning, flip on the light, and instantly notice it again. That cloudy shower glass. Those white streaks that somehow look even worse when the sunlight hits them. And here's the frustrating part. You cleaned it last week, maybe even yesterday. You sprayed the expensive cleaner, wiped it down, stepped back, and somehow it still looked dirty. Now, most people think the problem is soap. It's not. According to recent home maintenance reports across the US, hard water minerals are one of the biggest reasons shower glass turns cloudy over time. In fact, millions of American homes deal with mineral-heavy water every single day, especially in states with hard water systems. That chalky layer you see, it's basically mineral deposits bonding to leftover soap residue like glue. And once that buildup hardens, normal cleaners barely touch it. And the craziest part? Most people already have everything they need sitting in their kitchen right now. But before you grab anything, there's one tiny mistake almost everyone makes that ruins the entire result. They start cleaning cold glass. Sounds minor, right? It's not. If the glass is ice cold, cleaning solutions evaporate too slowly and don't break down buildup properly. So first, run warm water over the shower glass for about 30 seconds. Not hot enough to steam the room, just slightly warm. That little step softens the mineral layer and helps the solution work faster. And now comes the part that sounds way too simple to actually work. Plain white vinegar. Yeah, seriously. Not the neon blue chemical spray, not the $18 professional cleaner from the store, just white vinegar. Here's why. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps dissolve mineral deposits safely on glass surfaces. That's why professional cleaners often use acidic formulas for hard water stains in the first place. The difference is vinegar does it without the heavy perfumes or harsh residue. But there's a right way to do this. Pour white vinegar into a spray bottle. If you want stronger results, warm it slightly first, not boiling, just warm enough that it feels slightly heated in your hand. Now spray the glass heavily, and I mean heavily. Most people barely miss the surface and wonder why nothing changes. You want the entire panel coated so the vinegar stays in contact with the buildup. Then stop, don't scrub yet. This is where most people mess up. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes while the acid starts breaking down the mineral layer. And while you wait, you'll probably start thinking this can't possibly be enough for years of buildup. But watch what happens next. Take a damp microfiber cloth or soft sponge and wipe in slow circular motions. No aggressive scrubbing, no steel wool, no rough brush. And almost immediately, you'll notice the cloudy film starting to disappear. Not smear around, actually disappear. That's because you're not fighting the buildup anymore. You already loosened it chemically first. And honestly, this is usually the moment people stop and stare because they realize the problem was never dirty glass. It was mineral deposits that regular cleaners weren't designed to remove. Now rinse everything with warm water. Already looks better, right? Good. Because the final step is what gives that crystal clear finish most people miss completely. Dry the glass immediately. Not with paper towels. Those leave lint and streaks everywhere. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth and wipe from top to bottom in straight lines. And this next part matters way more than people realize. Don't randomly wave the cloth around. Controlled strokes prevent streaks from forming as the remaining water evaporates. As you move across the glass, you'll literally see the shine come back panel by panel. But what if your buildup is really bad? Like years-old hard water stains that look permanently etched into the glass. Here's the upgraded method. After spraying vinegar, sprinkle a tiny amount of baking soda onto your damp cloth, not directly onto the glass. That matters because baking soda is mildly abrasive. Now gently work over the stubborn spots. You'll notice a light fizzing reaction. That reaction helps lift stubborn deposits without needing heavy pressure. And according to multiple cleaning experts, using light pressure is safer because aggressive scrubbing can permanently scratch glass coatings. So let the chemistry do the work. Now here's something almost nobody talks about. The reason shower glass gets dirty so fast isn't because your bathroom is dirty. It's because water stays on the surface too long after every shower. That's it. Professional cleaners constantly recommend one simple habit that takes less than 20 seconds. Use a squeegee after every shower. Seriously, that tiny habit changes everything. Because if water never dries on the glass, minerals never get the chance to harden into stains. And if you want next level results, keep a small spray bottle with diluted vinegar under the sink. A quick spray every few days helps stop buildup before it becomes visible. Now let's talk about something a lot of people confuse with soap scum. Those stubborn white spots that still remain even after cleaning. Sometimes that's actual mineral etching. And here's where a lemon can help. Cut a lemon in half, dip it lightly in baking soda, and gently rub the affected areas. Lemon contains citric acid, which works similarly to vinegar, but can help target stubborn mineral spots. But, and this part is important, don't scrub hard. If you grind abrasive material into glass, you can damage the surface permanently. Gentle pressure always wins. Now while we're here, there's another bathroom problem most people completely ignore until it gets bad. The shower head. If your water pressure feels weaker lately, mineral buildup inside the nozzles might be the reason. And this fix honestly feels ridiculous the first time you try it. Fill a plastic bag with vinegar, tie it around the shower head, and let the nozzles soak for about 45 minutes. That's it. The vinegar slowly dissolves the mineral deposits clogging the openings. And when you turn the shower back on, the difference is immediate. Stronger spray, smoother flow, cleaner nozzles. The vinegar slowly dissolves the mineral deposits, clogging the openings. And when you turn the shower back on, the difference is immediate. Stronger spray, smoother flow, cleaner nozzles. It literally makes the entire shower feel newer. Now here's where the transformation really starts happening. Because once the glass is clear, the shower head is flowing properly, and the hard water stains are gone, the entire bathroom suddenly looks brighter, cleaner, more expensive. And that's not just in your head. Interior cleaning studies actually show reflective surfaces dramatically affect how clean a room feels visually. So when glass and mirrors shine properly, the entire bathroom looks upgraded. But there's still one final trick that keeps everything cleaner longer: water repellency. Some homeowners use specialty glass coatings. But even a tiny amount of rinse aid diluted with water can help water slide off the glass more easily. The less water sitting there, the fewer minerals left behind after drying. The next time you shower, you'll notice water beading and rolling off instead of clinging to the surface. And once you see that happen, you realize something important. Keeping shower glass clean was never about scrubbing harder. It was about understanding what was actually causing the problem. That's why so many people waste money trying random cleaners that only make the glass smell clean instead of actually removing mineral buildup. And honestly, once you do this properly one time, future cleanings become ridiculously easy. Because you're maintaining clean glass instead of fighting years of buildup all over again. So next time you walk into your bathroom and the light hits that shower glass, you'll see clear glass that actually looks brand new again. And the wild part? You probably fixed the whole thing with ingredients that cost less than your morning coffee. Now I'm curious, what's the worst thing on your shower glass right now? Cloudy haze, hard water spots, or those stubborn streaks that never seem to disappear no matter what you use? Because chances are, one of these tricks is about to save you a ton of time and money.